Hello everyone, I'm Cynthia Andoniadou, I'm Congress Committee Chair for ECE, and we come to you today from the 2025 conference where I'm sitting with some very important people for the 2026 Congress. Now ECE 2026 will come to you from Prague in the Czech Republic. So Peter, let's start with you. Is there something that you'd like to highlight in how we're going to be putting together the clinical program?
It is a great honor for me to serve as the clinical co-chair, and I think our most important purpose is to bring the most up-to-date clinical information to the people attending the Congress, to convey them the most recent advances in clinical endocrinology. And I would like to highlight that we'll have 2 sessions on guidelines, hyponatremia guideline that is elaborated by the ESE and the ERA, and also a joint ESE Endocrine Society guideline on the EVP deficiency, formerly called central diabetes insipidus.
It's going to be absolutely amazing, and we're going to come to you with a very exciting program that you can't possibly turn down. So see you in Prague.